today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is a huge warning for all Bitcoin holders. And if you are saying right now, Chris, you are a sensationalist, hear me out, because I will talk about this specific chart. We are at a pivotal point, the craziest pivotal point, the decision point, something we have not seen since years for Bitcoin. I want to tell you exactly what I am predicting for Bitcoin in the next few weeks. My price targets in the immediate short term and the mid run. I will show you my $8 million trade, whether I will close it with these new insights or not. Guys, this is a very special one. This is a nighttime video here. Everything closed. I'm on the highest floor of my building. My friends waiting outside. I will show you around a little bit towards the end. But this is a very, very special one. I will start with the immediate short term on the hourly for Bitcoin before I'm going to zoom out. And I will show you this pivotal point on the weekly candles. And I can tell you, this is something I have not seen for years. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high for these nightly emergency videos, live videos, recorded videos in this case. If you want more of this, give me the feedback, smash up the like button, leave likes and comments down below and everything, share the video among your friends. I want to see the algorithm on fire. The last videos all crushing 100,000 views. We are breaking all records here once again, and this is something I'm very proud of, because in red days, sharing so much love like you do it, it's one of a kind. It is really one of a kind, so thank you so much for that. And now I want to start with the immediate short term quickly here before I'm going over. And first of all, you can see here Bitcoin is, and don't see it as a symmetrical triangle. See this as very legit resistance and this as not so legit support. And of course, there is some decision going to happen here in the next 1 or 2 hours. It's not that important. It gets more important towards the end of the video here. Something I just wanted to share with you here is, no matter where we break out, if you're zooming out a little bit, just a little bit, then you can see, first of all, Bitcoin got continuously rejected here at the resistance, which was not so bad, because the more often retested, the more likely it is to be broken. But the final rejection here was the nail in the coffin. And this is something I talked about. If we are breaking it, I expect 58. If we are not breaking it, I expect a harsh rejection. But I expected something like this, not something like this. I want to be honest here. But what we can see now, and I want to stay on the hourly candles and zoom out for the last few days. And now I'm pulling out the VPVR, the volume per volume range. And what you can see here, you know what? Let me go over to the 4 hourly candles. What you can see here, guys, and this is scary. It's scary. You can see the point of control is exactly where the price is right now. Not only that, we have so much volume above us. So, of course, Bitcoin can go back, but we will have a big, big fight upcoming here. And below us, there is just a huge hole of nothing in volume. So it is very, very important that we are not breaking the previous low here. Otherwise, we are waterfalling further down lower. So now the question is, Chris, let me quickly go back. Now the question is, are we going to hold these levels, or are we going to waterfall more towards the downside? This is something I want to talk about right now. And this is something I want to utilize this specific chart here. Here, big shout out to Anup from MMCrypto, my co-founder. And this is this pivotal point. And he was pointing it out, and we were philosophizing about it a little bit. And the crazy thing about this chart is, let's go back here. Let's have a quick look at it. What you can see here is this is the characteristics of this, is we have a big, big run, an era towards the upside to a new all-time high. Then we are having a rejection here. And what you can see, the rejection goes all the way down here to point A on the bottom, what you can see. And this is in perfect alignment with the previous support. Let's go back here into this chart and let's go to the total crypto market cap, ticker symbol total. I diminish the VPVR and I go over to the weekly candles. And this is pointing out something absolutely crazy. Look at this. What you can see here, what you can see here, Bitcoin was going down from the previous all-time high, the crypto market cap, all-time high, rejection down. Rejection down, exactly down to the previous support. And we even got a triple confirmation on the support. And now we are going higher. And guess where we find the massive rejection at the previous weekly closes? Right there at the traffic area among the previous all-time high of the total market cap, crypto market cap, which is Bitcoin and altcoins together. And now let's look at this chart. We are going higher, and this is where you can see the B on the top right side, where we are finding resistance right now. And what does it mean? What does it mean for the pivotal point? This is the pivotal point. This is the decision point here for Bitcoin. And what this actually means, this is the bottom line. These weeks, you can plot it on the weekly, on the monthly. This month more to say, might decide whether this pivotal point will bring us a rejection down, an M pattern, and eventually a double top, or whether this is just a consolidation among the previous total crypto market cap all-time high, and we are eventually breaking it towards the upside and starting the new era, which is the B scenario of the pivotal point. Look at this. Of course, the classic scenario is this consolidation and then a break towards the all-time high on the top right corner. This is what's interesting right now. All these small swings, trades, fine guys, but honestly this is what interests me, and this is what I want to know from you guys. I will share my opinion as well, of course. I want to know from you, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we are going to form this double top M pattern and break towards the downside? If so, we are not talking about a 10, 20, 30% decline. We are talking about a massive shakeout period, especially for the altcoins, not necessarily for Bitcoin, but still probably like 20, 30% down here on Bitcoin. I'm not saying this is going to happen, because especially the traditional way of looking at this pivotal point is the consolidation on the all-time high and then eventually breaking it. This will be important. So are we going to see here on the crypto total market cap maybe some more furthermore consolidation here among the previous high, among the 2.3, 2.4 trillion US dollars, and then breaking out towards the upside? I would say so far, if someone holds me at gunpoint, I would say yes, because looking at the economic uncertainty, looking at the fundamentals increasing for Bitcoin, especially for Ethereum and some few altcoins, I have a hard time seeing that the bull market is over. But I'm prepared for the scenario and I know exactly what to look out for. And this is what it comes down to. If you want to be a sophisticated investor and trader, you have a game plan. When A happens, I do A. When B happens, I do B. And of course, I see a lot of haters sometimes when I'm pulling out these scenarios. But in the end of the day, who was laughing when we were predicting at MMCrypto that one at least possible scenario is the Wyckoff accumulation here and the breakdown to 30,000? I said it's not the most likely scenario, but I said it's a possible one. People were laughing at us, and now we can see this is what happened. I want to prepare you for this scenario as well, but I want to give you the exact game plan when we can determine that we are going to see new all-time highs. Smash up the like button. Let me know what you think about that down below in the comment section. Obviously, I want to show you my trade here quickly. 7.8 million US dollars in this trade, still 1.27 million US dollars in profits. And of course, guys, this pivotal point, whether we are doing A or whether we are doing B, will decide whether I will double down on my trade to 16 million or whether I will close it off completely. I will keep you updated, guys. This was a special one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go out now and show you here my friends. I'm sitting now out, but of course doing the video was my biggest priority, of course. Let me quickly go out and also show you the beautiful view here. Very nice. There's an infinity pool. You have the Burj Khalifa, obviously, and here you have my friend sitting, Anup from MMCrypto, Slavic, James, Kero from Kero Crypto. Very nice. Anup, are you charting? Of course he's charting. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna sit down now. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.